Hey guys, it's Gorilla Boy Trav back with another video. But this time it isn't a video, it's a vlog. The first ever vlog on this channel. Since the channel is new, I'm just trying out new things. So hopefully you guys like this vlog. Because it's gonna be an exciting one today. And I say that because give you guys a little backstory. On the 24th, I'm having a car show, which is gonna be dope. I'm super excited. And I honestly really hope it's gonna be a good turnout, which I think it will. But this car show, we are doing, well, I am doing Best Paint / Wrap Award. I'm not giving it out. Gloss Techniques is giving it out. It's a paint restoration shop here in Fresno. They do wraps and they do, you know, paint restoration. So, you know, it kind of ties in together with each other. They told me that they're gonna give me a free wash and a free wax, car wax. So we're heading over there. I'm super excited. This is the first time I'm actually meeting the guy or the owner, because I called over the phone and I asked him, hey, do you want to do it? He was like, yeah, cool. So this is the first time, but you know, they're part of the car community. They know a lot of the car community. So without further ado, we're gonna be there. All right, guys, so we're here. You can start washing it. Real dirty too, bro. Hella dirty. But we got Chris SVT. That's so cool. They got a whole bunch of cars over here. We have to throw a little meal over here, bro. We got hella cars. Out on wheels. That's nice. Let me show you guys the shop. So this is the shop, man. This is where they do all their stuff. But the best part, man. Fast and Furious? What? Oh yeah. And look at these lights, bro. Look at these new lights. That's bad. And they're wrapping this BMW right here. This is gonna be clean. It's gonna be a clean wrap. They're practicing the wrap, man. I might have to bring something down, man. Get my car wrapped. Yeah, but look how it looks under the lights, man. Like, that's crazy. Gloss Techniques, man. Hit them up. They'll take care of you, bro. They're taking care of me. They will take care of you. But this is clean. So he's drying it right now. Already looks way cleaner than what it fucking was this morning. Sheesh. If you're in Fresno, you're in the Fresno area, bro, Gloss Techniques is where it's at. For real. Buy local. Come on now, yo. Look at this shop. This shit is dope. He's in here, man. So much cleaner. So right now he's using real acid to clean these dirty wheels, man. But wait until you guys see the finished product, bro. It's crazy. Look at that. Look at this. This is no acid, right? These are my wheels, no acid. And then these, oh my God, that's ridiculous, bro. Look at that.
There you go, man.
Y'all can see the difference, bro. You can see the difference. That's ridiculous. Oh yeah, I'm coming here every time, yo. Yeah, there's nowhere else to go. Gloss Techniques is where it's at, dude. For real. see myself. Look at that. That's how clear it is, bro. That's crazy. Y'all know the famous guy.
What happened?
He said, y'all know the famous guy. All right, guys. So I'm not at Gloss Techniques anymore. They did my whole car. They washed my car. They did an acid wash on my wheels. And you guys, once I show you guys this freaking, how crazy it looks, like of how, you know, clean my wheels actually look from what they used to look like, it's ridiculous. These guys know what the heck they're doing, man. But let me show you guys. Look at this. I stopped and got some Blaze pizza. We got 2 pieces for me and my girl, and then her family right here. And then we also got some pizza, some little like garlic bites, which are super fire. So I can't wait to eat that. Right now we're gonna put gas and then we'll be on the way home. But I'm gonna surprise my girlfriend with this pizza because it's her first time ever trying this pizza. First time ever trying Blaze pizza, which is crazy. So she's gonna, I know she's gonna like it a lot because it's fire. Everybody knows Blaze pizza has fire pizza. So without further ado, I'm gonna put gas and we'll be on our way home. And then I'm gonna record her reaction to this amazing pizza. And I'll show you guys how clean my car looks and the wheels. Stay tuned, guys. All right, guys. So I finally made it home, but look at how clear these wheels are. Look at that. You got a little dirty from the drive over here. But dude, these dudes at Gloss Techniques know what they're doing. The car looks so much cleaner. Can't wait, you know, they actually helped me fall in love with this car more. I'm always telling myself to freaking get another car. I'm always talking about another car, but seeing it clean like this, it really helps me fall in love with it. And honestly, I don't want to sell it now. I kind of want to build this car. All right, guys. So I know I said that I was gonna record my girlfriend's reaction. I didn't have the camera out when she started eating the pizza, but she said that it was super good. But what I wanted to touch on a little bit, I kind of want to do this after every video. I want to tell you guys something inspirational. So lately I've been battling with, you know, some self-confidence. Self-confidence in the car. Like I said, you know, I've been wanting to sell it and everything, but I feel like we should all just focus on being positive and just being happy and really being happy with what we already have and not really trying to make others happy. I was supposed to have all of this kind of, you know, written down and everything, but I just want to tell you guys to stay positive, chase your dreams, believe in yourself, and don't let anybody tell you you can't do something, because it is all possible. It is all possible. But without further ado, man, thank you for tuning in to the vlog. Want to say bye? Say bye, baby. Bye. I don't think she knows I say bye. Say hi, baby. Hi. Ooh, ooh. She has Cheetos on her face. But, yep, until the next video, guys, I'll see you guys later.